This is your girl Torie and welcome to my channel. We're talking about love today, L-O-V-E. Basically, what does love mean to you? I'm basically telling you what love means to me. It's really nothing formal. It's very informal. I just want to be able to chit chat with you all and just talk about love. We're in February. Valentine's Day is a couple days away. I feel like once I upload this video, it might be on Valentine's Day or the day before. Not for sure yet, but just know it's going to be around that time. Of course, I am supporting Black History Month, so I will be using several Black-owned products. So let's just go ahead and sit back, relax, and get ready for this video and cue the intro. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started. So today I am going to feature Brown Melanin Makeup Melanin Fantasy Eyeshadow Palette. I know it's like my favorite palette because it's so functional. Like, let's just go back over it again just so y'all can see that. I kind of want to do like a neutral look today, so yeah. But anyhow, so let's talk to Torie. Today's topic is, what does love mean to you? This is an interesting topic for me because I really just, maybe I guess now at the age of 32, really understand like love and like what does love mean to me in a sense. Like, yeah. So I can say for me, love is unconditional. I don't want to say necessarily conditional. I think I've been raised for love to be conditional in a sense. Like I never really for romantic love aspect, I really didn't see healthy relationships. So like when I finally got to a point of a healthy relationship, like it was kind of like an eye-opening type of thing, honestly, guys. I'm still learning love, especially for an aspect of myself, and really also in my relationship as well. Like, yes, I know I love my boyfriend and unconditionally, but I'm still learning how to love healthily. Is that a word? In a healthy manner. And even love myself in a healthy manner, and really go about life loving people in a healthy manner. I think that's really a big component, is to really learn how to love healthy, like have a healthy love. Like it, yeah, I didn't have that. I never really had that relationship with myself. Like I've had a lot of things occur in my life that have really been popping up lately, and I know why. We're technically still in retrograde, but with just, there was a couple of things that kind of wound up triggering me, and then I also had my own things going on within my life, and it just really it was kind of like a whole a dump of shit just happened all at once. I'm just okay, need to work on that. And then I just really realized I had a really a moment with myself of reflection, and just you really didn't love yourself. You was really seeking out approval from others that really didn't hold no really weight in your life. I felt like that really kind of led me to a journey of self-destructive behavior, and really not truly loving myself, and really cherishing myself as an individual, as a woman, as a young lady. You know what I'm saying? You really start doing things that you really don't want to do it, but you feel like if I do it, such and such will like me, or such and such will love me, and that is not healthy at all. I love myself to where now, like, my boyfriend knows how to love me. And I know that there's a lot of things that I would not accept now in this point in life. And there's a lot of things within, where there's relationship, friendship, work relationship, anything in life. Like I'm at a point now that I just like, yeah, I'm not accepting that, because like that's just, it's disrespectful to me. And I don't want to navigate, and I don't want to keep on having to learn the same lesson. Like, I promise y'all, I felt like I learned the same lesson for the longest because I really wasn't paying attention to what was trying to be told to me. And yeah, I still, like, I'm very adamant that I was on the road of very destructive behavior, self-destructive behavior at that, and just really not paying attention, like really trusting myself and paying attention to the signs. Uh, um, that's, yeah, I'm just really just telling y'all my life story in a sense. So, like, with everything that has occurred, a lot of things that, like, a lot of old memories have popped up in my mind. It really made me really focus on, like, reflect on, like, what does love mean to me? What does love mean to you? Love, as I said earlier, is very unconditional. Like, I think I've really understood love at one point in my life is that it's with conditions, and there shouldn't be necessarily love with conditions. Like, as we get older and we see things for what it is, like, you realize, like, you only live one life. Time is precious. Um, and, just really, somebody loves you, and they treat you great, and all those great things, like, allow that to happen. Let's preach to the choir here. But, just let it happen, and really, like, love yourself and know that you deserve great things. One of my goals for 2022 is to become closer with God and just really improve my relationship with God and really understand to trust God. This is really not about religion or anything like that, and this video is not. But anybody is kind of familiar with, like, the term of agape love, like, that's kind of like the embodiment that I really would like to move with. Like, I would like to move with that type of energy of agape love. With agape love, basically agape love is unconditional. You can do all these things to me, or I don't know, you can be whoever you are, and I'm still gonna love you unconditionally. That's where I'm trying to, like, navigate life. That's where I'm trying to go with it. It's a work in progress. I'm still trying to understand that concept of agape love, but I feel like I experience it a lot. Especially with my relationship with God. It's been, yeah, like, a lot of things have occurred in 7 days of my life, and I am, like, still in shock and awe. I can't wait to really tell you a lot of what's been going on, but that's for another video. But I'm just really trying to embody that type of energy, and I feel like that energy can be attained, and I'm just really excited. I'm just really trying to move differently and just, have a type of light. I feel like through this journey with you all that I have really increased my love for myself. I have really took the time out to get to know myself. I really get to time to, like, really just love on myself. Which has really improved, like, my self confidence and whatnot. But I just want to, just really talk about love. Like, I think that, we see these things on TV about what love is supposed to look like, and, we really don't know what it is. Like, we might have experienced it, but we don't necessarily experience it, I guess, the full throttle. And, like, the first, like, step with love for me and my perspective is that, it starts with self. And that's a big thing. Like, once you start really loving on yourself and really like understanding that I truly deserve good things in my life, and I just feel like everything else will fall in line. I think that we just get so caught up in what we see online, on TV, even like the fear of missing out or comparison. Like, we've seen other people, and, you never know what goes on behind closed doors, honey. But, you know what I'm saying? Like, just to have a realistic love, but, I think a lot of us have seeked out validation and love from others without really trying to love ourselves, and that's why sometimes we just really get up in fucked up situations, um, which is, it's true. You don't want to admit it, but it is what it is. Like, you just really learn and you grow from it. Like, that's the whole purpose of life, is learning and growing, and just really like understanding, like, okay, this happened, what can I learn from it? So yeah, that's kind of like my spiel. But this is just a time. I know everybody makes a big fuss about this time of the year and stuff, and whoop, 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 and whoops. But I don't know, just take the time also to like indulge in self-care and just really love yourself and understand, like, nobody's gonna have you like you have you. Like, I feel like I take that a lot, and I say that a lot because I had to learn that for myself. Like, nobody's not gonna have you like you have you. So you know don't be upset with like somebody not doing or showing up the way you would expect them to. um, we're all human. We're all created for a purpose. We have some type of error in our ways, so everybody's not perfect. So that's that. Just want to say I'm using the lipstick, liquid lipstick from True Therapy Cosmetics, because he first loved us, as my eyeliner. I literally had this vision in my head, and I'm actually pretty excited that it's kind of executing the way I thought it was going to be. Ooh. Wait. I was not expecting this to come out as good as it's coming out. But girl. So I'm gonna do my lashes and I'm gonna do my face off camera. Also, you could literally watch my full foundation routine above, and then I'm gonna come back and then we're gonna sum it up. And that's that. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I did my base, of course, and then I put some liner on, I put some lashes on. I didn't want to be too dramatic. I just kind of want to be able to see the pop of color, so I feel like with not as dramatic lashes, we'll be able to see this work of art. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I actually enjoyed doing it. It kind of felt unorthodox for me. I just felt like it was just me being able to kind of like, I guess, vent to you all and maybe talk about my reflection about what love means to me and how I am still on this journey of love, self and others, and just really know that, it starts within, and, once you start making that change within, I think everything else will start to unfold. So, I hope that you all enjoy, and make sure you come back and watch my other videos, and just, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification button, so each time I upload, you'll be the first to know. So thank you for tuning in. Before I leave, please remember to always choose you. Love you guys.